Can an LLC member get a W-2? Yes, an LLC member can get a W-2, but only if the LLC has elected to be taxed as a corporation. By default, members of an LLC are considered self-employed and take profit distributions, which are reported on a Schedule K-1 or Schedule C, not on a W-2. They pay self-employment tax on that income rather than having payroll taxes withheld. If the LLC elects S-corporation or C-corporation status, members who actively work in the business must be treated as employees. In that case, they receive a W-2 showing their salary and tax withholdings, while any additional profits can still be distributed separately. This approach can provide tax benefits and make record-keeping simpler. The short answer is this: LLC members only get a W-2 if the LLC is taxed as a corporation. Otherwise, their income flows through without payroll reporting. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and choose the right tax selection so you know when members should be paid with a W-2. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.